This was a project like no other, with hidden damage everywhere.
Oh my God.
We even ended up chopping off the whole back end of the other Rolls Royce. We did the same to the Mansouri Rolls, and then took the back end of the parts car and fitted it to it, using techniques I've never seen before. All that was left to do was seal it all up, and then the body shop painted the inside and the outside, and the whole car is painted. But it's not home sailing yet. This car is far from done, but I'm hoping now we can build it up. I think we broke something. And finish this thing for good.